you know it'll be fun. You know it'll be funny.
What?
It starts right up now. Why it's here.
You are a next door. You're an instigator.
Oh yeah, look at him. Yeah, look. He got you. No, I said, Jen.
What?
No, I said, you watch. I said, watch him, watch it run now.
You want to say something?
Please let my car start up.
It's a very fun-filled evening. I enjoyed myself. It's a little warmer here for some reason. It's not as cold as it was in the cemetery, but this is part 2. Taking the car off the tow truck. There's the nice man getting in who rescued us. Maybe this is why we never all got together, James.
There it goes.
Because, you know, how do you do that?
I thought it was coasting.
Probably out of it. Oh. I'm like, how do you make that start? But I mean, when we have family reunions, this is what happens. That's what I mean. This is probably why Dad never got us all together.
No, Dad was just being Dad.
He was tonight.
Alright, and that's it.
Thank you very
Yep,
much.
no problem.
Oh, what do we do about the towing? Does he keeps getting that?
He just drops it off.
This would be compliments of Glenn's towing. This man was here faster than what we expected.
Thank you, dear. He just had to check it out for
And
himself.
there's the alarm that we've heard for the last 2 hours.
He's going to try again.
Oh.
He wouldn't be a true guy if he didn't keep trying.
Go.
Serious.
That's all it is.
Dad!
It'll work.
Dad!
Told you. You know what I was trying to tell you, right? That other black button in there. Come here.
Catch the fight.
Catch the fight. Catch the fight.
It's always a good one, James.
Catch the fight.
This one right here.
What
Stop
little
believing
button?
We tried
This,
all of
this
them.
one up top here.
I was pressing every button there
Tried
was.
every button.
Every single
No, what
button.
you do is you go like this, that locks it, and then
Scott, we tried everything, I promise you.
Honey.
We wouldn't set out in the cemetery for an extra hour and a half if we didn't try everything. It was Dad.
Dad!
It had to be because we tried that combination 77 times.
Oh
Just
my
about.
gosh.
But don't they still have to put that fuse back in so I have a horn?
Yeah,
I mean, I can't ride around without a horn.
Where's it at?
But you can probably get
In
it
the cup holder.
tomorrow. At least, you know, they don't have to work on it. It was my dad. For once he took something out on you and not me.
Need a flashlight?